When the Anna Seiler House competition was won by the three offices in 2014, we were faced with the challenge of assembling a team within a very short period. We began with 8 people. The team has since increased to 35 members. We rented our offices accordingly. At the beginning of the project, we were completely unfamiliar with BIM. We invested in consultation services and were able to work through the issues one by one, and were able to prepare a facility management model for our client at the end of the project. We reached the limits of the software we then used after the first year of the work. We then evaluated software solutions, switched to Archicad, and were able to deliver consistent IFCs from that point onwards. And we were able to enhance our design efficiency by utilizing Archicad's teamwork, which helped to optimize our processes. Our design team had meeting rooms equipped with smart screens. We invited consultants there and worked together on the 3D model with VR glasses to coordinate issues as they came up. We developed a central 3D architectural model which became increasingly detailed over the subsequent phases and was enriched with information. At a certain point, the information became so extensive that we generated 16 submodels to gain a better overview by the team and also continued working individually. The team has grown throughout the course of the project. All new architects whom we brought into the team were trained by the IDC Academy. During the design process, we had to coach each individual repeatedly in order to ensure that the whole team had the same level of knowledge. The team utilized the graphic overrides feature in Archicad to display and check information from consultants, like fire door data, for example. For collision checks, we used Solibri. For example, we compared the structural model to a spatial model and discovered the errors. Over the past 10 years, we have made enormous progress in both our design methods and BIM capabilities. By switching to Archicad and using BIM Cloud, we have improved our efficiency, and we were able to deliver the building and the BIM model to the client.